Welcome back to your lessons on English phonics with Pop-Up Tutor. My name is Mary and I will be taking you through some basic sounds. This collection of lessons will teach you to recognize and say 4 sounds. E, V, R, B. This first video is for the E sound. As I go through the sounds and words, say them along with me so you can get used to them. So our first sound today is the E sound. Have a look at the pictures on the slide and see if you know any of our words already. Okay, so here we have an excellent egg, an easy exit, an elegant envelope, and some exotic elephants. Can you repeat those after me? Ready? Egg, exit, envelope, elephant. Good job. Here are some more words that start with the eh sound. Have a look at the pictures and see if you know any of the words already. So here we have an eye-catching emerald, an equipped elbow, an entertaining eclipse, and an eager elf. Can you repeat those after me? Ready? Emerald, elbow, eclipse, elf. Well done. Here is a short story. I'm going to read this short story to you, and I would like for you to follow along on the screen. The words in red are the words we have just learned, so if you want to join in and say those with me, feel free. Otherwise, listen carefully for our sounds. In Elmdale, where emerald meadows stretched, Ellie the elf found a magical envelope under an oak tree. The note inside said, "Follow the moon's dance during the eclipse." With the envelope in her elbow, Ellie, an eloquent elephant named Alara, and the mischievous elf Eddie discovered an egg-shaped rock. The egg glowed, revealing a secret exit leading to a glittering chamber. In the chamber, Ellie unlocked a tiny elfin door with the egg. unveiling a joyous celebration. Emerald shone as bright as the eclipse outside, creating colorful lights. The egg was a magical messenger, leading Ellie, Alara, and Eddie to the festivities. The enchanting adventure had only just begun. As Ellie put down the envelope and egg by the exit and joined in with the dancing elves. Good listening. Well done. You have made it to the end of the lesson. Good job with your eh sounds today. Our next lesson will be on the v sound, so watch that when you're ready. In the meantime, keep practicing your phonics with the games on the Pop-Up Tutor website, and book a lesson with your tutor when you're ready. See you next time!